Hello there, what is up? Thanks so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me today. If you are new here, welcome. On this channel. We share one little spark of life in each and every video, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing a subscription box that is new to this channel. It is a UK-based book subscription box. It is the Bookishly Classic Book Crate. I will in my description box be putting their website link so you can check out their website as well as this subscription box if you would like. Every 2 months, Bookishly will send you a classic book that the box is themed around. I am so excited to be getting into this box, unboxing this box with you. Let's get started. So this is what your Bookishly box looks like when you open it up. I've already seen the spoilers of what this book box is centered around. This must be artwork that has the redesigned cover of their classic book. Any guesses based on this illustration what classic book this box is centered around? Let us know in the comments down below if you guessed what book correctly. If you guessed The Secret Garden, then congratulations, you got that correct. So in this box is going to be the redesigned cover of the classic The Secret Garden, as well as some Secret Garden themed items. And here it is. How beautiful is this cover? I think I read The Secret Garden when I was growing up, but I honestly could not tell you off the top of my head what this book is about. So this is going to look beautiful sitting on my bookcase. So in this box we have a Secret Garden centered tea, and this is the Get Up and Grow Jasmine Blossom Green Tea. All right, and these feel like they are green tea little pyramids. I absolutely love tea, but I have never had jasmine in my tea, so I'm looking forward to seeing how this tea blend tastes. Okay, fun. We have an embroidery kit included in this Bookishly box. I absolutely love embroidering, but I have not done it in a while. This is from the Make Arcade, and this quote is from The Secret Garden. She made herself stronger by fighting with the wind. Okay, so let me be honest. I kind of got this subscription box without going into like too much research on it. Usually I like to research subscription boxes before I decide to like click subscribe, but this one I kind of was just like, yes, this looks beautiful and wonderful, and I like everything on their website. So I didn't really do my due research. Apparently they include a Penguin Classics. So this is Well They Are Gone and Here I Must Remain. This will definitely, as will The Secret Garden, go on my October reading list. Yay, so some artwork. So let's take a look at this. Oh, I love this. So we have a card about The Secret Garden author, Frances Hodgson Burnett. Everything is made of magic. I love learning about authors, and I'm an English teacher, so I like posting things like this in my classroom. So she will definitely go up in the classroom. The beautiful illustration is there. We have a bookmark here with a quote from The Secret Garden. Never did she find anything so difficult as to keep herself from losing her temper when she was suddenly disturbed while absorbed in a book. Hashtag it's me. And then something that could be used as a larger bookmark. I love receiving little artwork like this in subscription boxes because I like to frame them in just simple black frames, hang them up around my apartment. This is another quote. If you look the right way, you can see that the whole world is a garden. Oh, that's beautiful. I might put this in my little entryway. So as I am leaving in the morning to take whatever the world throws at me, this can be a little sign that everything's a garden. Everything is quite beautiful. And then it looks like we have some note cards. I love sending snail mail out, and I love just this craft paper envelope. So let's take a look at our cards. Perhaps the beginning is just to say nice things are going to happen until you make them happen. Being strong is the magic. The magic is in me. And the secret garden bloomed, and every morning revealed new miracles. These are beautiful. By the way, all three of these paper items have the same, it's almost like a velvety paper texture material. It's very nice, a very high quality, and feels very luxe. So I saved the last thing wrap. I have no earthly clue. Feeling it, I have no earthly clue what it was. At first I thought that it was a book. All right, let's unwrap this together. Oh, I love it. So this, this I think is how the company started, the Bookishly company. If you know Bookishly well and you're watching this, please correct me in the comments below if I'm wrong. But I think they started their company by taking pages of books, printing out quotes from those books, and then framing them. Anyway, they sell a lot of them on their website, and I've had my eye on quite a lot. But this is but this is an actual page from The Secret Garden, and the quote is, "There is magic in everything." That is fantastic, and that is absolutely true. So here we have all of the items that were shipped in the Bookishly Classic Book Crate Secret Garden themed box. Love, love, love the theming in this box. I love bookish things, so this is just perfect for me. How have I gone on this long in my life and did not know that this box existed? That is it for me today. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. Make sure you click that subscribe button and ring that bell on the way out. It would help me out tremendously. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.